Michael?
Shh. Don't look down. Look straight up. Come on out, please.
These are for employees only.
Angela, Kevin, help me out. I just need a few things, and I'll be gone.
Michael, why is it that you asked everyone except me, Angela, Creed, and Meredith?
I was going to. I wanted to. But I had to start somewhere.
And you didn't want to start with us.
No, of course not. But now I want everybody. Did you have time to think about my offer? I did have a chance to think about it, but then I thought about something else. So which way are you leaning? Well, it is tempting, but I am 100% leaning towards passing. That's just...
Hey, did anyone see the client list that Michael was supposed to be working on?
No.
Okay. Let me know if you find it.
Okay. We don't have much time. Just act normal. Don't look at me. Stop. Don't look down. Don't look down. He's gonna see me. Not all the way up. Keep him in a normal height. Okay? This is not Michael Scott talking right now. This is your future. Hello. I am your future. You are older and you are very happy now because you went with Michael Scott, right? So everybody, come on down. And let's just crawl out of here together. All right? Come on. Are you doing your best here? Are you being the best that you can be? All right, everybody who's gonna go with me, I want you to stomp your foot. Okay. All right. Come on. Come on. Come on, Helen. There we go.
Michael, get up.
Okay. All right. Time to go. Time to go. Jim, let's go. Come on. Come on.
Michael, what are you doing?
I think maybe Hank should be here.
Hank? No, I don't need Hank.
You gonna mess with me? Is that what you're gonna do? I'll tell you something, Charles. I don't even care because I've got nothing to lose. Oh my God! No, God! No! All right, it's not worth it.